let us discuss the next question. The next question is given fx equal to some function is given. We have to show that fx plus 1 divided by fx minus 1 equal to 3x by 2. So let us solve this question. Here fx is given this value. So let us start from left hand side, this value fx plus 1 divided by fx minus 1. Now simply substitute what is fx. 3x plus 2 divided by 3x minus 2 plus 1, then 3x plus 2 divided by 3x minus 2 minus 1. Now in the both numerator and denominator we can take the LCM 3x minus 2. So this is 3x minus 2. If you take the LCM, the numerator will be 3x plus 2, then plus 3x minus 2. And for the denominator, the LCM is 3x minus 2 and the values will be 3x plus 2. This is minus 1. So minus 3x minus 2. Now you can see that 3x minus 2 can be cancelled out. So after cancellation, we will get the value 3x plus 2 plus 3x minus 2 and 3x plus 2 minus 3x minus 2. Now just simplify the values. See here, 2 minus 2 can be cancelled out. Then 3x plus 3x equal to 6x. Then 3x plus 2 minus 3x plus 2. Here you can see that 3x minus 3x. So this value can be cancelled out. So after cancellation, we can write down 6x, 2 plus 2 equal to 4. Now 6 and 4 have a factor or common factor 2. So let us divide numerator and denominator by 2. So we get 3x by 2. Now we have to prove these values. Fx plus 1 divided by fx minus 1 equal to 3x by 2. And see, we got this value 3x by 2. So we will write down right hand side proved. So we have proved this value